Hi guys, Simon here. Last week I bought a new tent and it was the Luxe Minipeak XL. Looks pretty good. Let's get the stove in. Okay guys, we've got everything set up in here. I brought some wood in. All the wood stove is now set up. You see me do that earlier. What you didn't see is I put in an extra mat. I brought some food, some more coffee and little bits and pieces. I've got my little cheap light. Not sure how well that's going to work in here. Okay, stove's starting to go nicely now. Oh, this is just so cool. Love it. I've got a few things on the floor I wanted to try out. My 2 DD tarps. And this mat here as well. Good for kneeling on, coming in and out of the tent. I brought this cloth in as well, so the wood, when I bring the wood into the tent, it doesn't, you know, there's no sharp edges, doesn't pierce through the super light tarp, which is quite a thin fabric. I have my liners from my winter boots. I just pulled these out and chucked these on so I don't get mud everywhere. And my feet are relatively warm. Okay, so we've got the onion chopped. I have potatoes waiting to boil. Coffee, water for coffee. Ready? Getting ready. I have a nice fire in there. All good. Plenty of wood. We'll get some more for later on. Yeah, this is what you call hot tenting. Really good. Getting used to this. Nice and warm. You could fit 2 people tightly in this area. My size. I'm not a big person. I'm only 5'7", 170 centimeters long, and 82 in weight, kilograms in weight. Along the back there I added a piece of cord just for drying socks, etc. I am looking forward to, excuse me, I am looking forward to spending the night in here tonight. Plenty of room in here, guys. 1 person solo camping with a wood stove. With this large type of wood stove, you don't need a lot of wood. Okay, let's get these fish fingers on. The zippers seem very good quality. This is ripstop poly. There's no seal nylon, so it won't sag when wet. Well, now I'm in for the night. Had a nice pizza indoors. I'm not gonna lie. So now it's time to spend the evening in the Luxe Minipeak XL. Got the wood stove going. It's getting warm. The in-house temperature, my temperature gauge from the house, should I say, reads at -2 outside. Not too cold. It doesn't feel very cold either. This is going to be a good night. So I'm really pleased with this whole setup, and I'm looking to chill pretty nicely tonight. Good morning, everybody. My second cup of coffee is coming up. Had a good night's sleep. Rained most of the night. Such a beautiful sound to listen to. Just really cozy. A wood stove, little light flame, orange flame going around the tent, and the sound of rain. That's what it's about, eh? So, like I say, I'm going to have another coffee. I'm going to take this inner down and see how it is with my camp chair inside. Yeah, so how good is this? So as a quick shelter, you can just put up this outer, throw in your chair in the wood stove, keep out the rain. Or you could just keep it like this before you go to sleep, and then put up the inner tent. Yeah, but pretty cool. Pretty good. Bit muddy, isn't it? Nice little shelter. Just what you need. You know, I had I still have actually, and I did a video on it when I was sleeping in my my Polish Lavu tent. So coming from that, actually I'll put a link up somewhere on the video if you'd like to watch that video. But yeah, coming from that and then to this is like a luxury, you know. But even in the Lavu there was just enough space. But this is good. This is nice. So where I found it leaked was from this bit here, just where this is stitched into. This is all dry. Just this little bit here, and it dripped just down. And that was it. But you do get some seam sealant, comes with the tent when you buy it. And look what I found on the door. A spark hole. Straight through. Bummer. The only other thing I'm a little concerned about is this stove jack. It seems to be wearing away quite fast. I know this is rusty, all this stovepipe, but I haven't used it, you know, that many times. We shall see. Time will tell on that one, I think. Maybe it wouldn't do it if the stove wasn't rusty and not being so abrasive. If it was a shiny pipe, I mean, it wouldn't be so abrasive. Anyway, that's it. I think I'll wrap this one up. This is the Luxe Minipeak XL. I like it. What do you think? You tell me, guys. Write in the comments. What's your opinions on this tent? If you've had any experience with it. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm gonna call it a day. Get back to have another cup of coffee. And I'll catch you on the next one. See you later, guys. Bye.